Hello friends, how are you? Hope you will be at home and be healthy. My name is Roshan Singh Rajput. Welcome to my YouTube channel Devsang Educate. Today I have brought a new video for you. In this video I will tell you about the reciprocating pump. I will tell you about its working through video animation. If you have come for the first time on my channel, then you can subscribe to my channel. This reciprocating pump topic is very important because in every exam like IS, Coal India, SSC JEE, Railway, YJK Steel exam, etc. exam always asks 3 to 4 questions. Today I will clear you the entire concept in this video about the working of a reciprocating pump, and you have to do is watch the entire video till last. If you watch the video till end, I guarantee that you will not have any problem in the upcoming exam and you will solve the whole question easily. So let's start the video. In this video, I will tell you 4 things about the reciprocating pump. The first one is the block diagram of reciprocating pump. The second one is the types of reciprocating pump. The third one is the working of reciprocating pump. I tell you step by step. The fourth one is the working animation video of reciprocating pump. Okay, then next. This is a block diagram of reciprocating pump. What is the reciprocating pump? Reciprocating pump is a hydraulic machine, and what is the function of the hydraulic machine? Hydraulic machine is to convert the mechanical energy into the hydraulic energy. This hydraulic energy also told him pressure energy, because with the help of pressure energy which is stored in water, take a water from ground floor to upper floor or overhead tank. Without pressure energy given to the water, they can't take a water from ground floor to upper floor or overhead tank. Then come to the definition of reciprocating pump. In reciprocating pump, energy conversion takes place by reciprocating motion of piston, which means with the help of forward or backward motion of the piston, energy conversion takes place in a reciprocating pump. Okay, then next, types of reciprocating pump. The first one is the single acting reciprocating pump, and the second one is the double acting reciprocating pump. In this video, I will tell you working of single acting reciprocating pump, and in the next video, I will tell you working of double acting reciprocating pump. Okay, then next. The picture you are seeing on the screen right now is of the single acting reciprocating pump. I will tell you what are the parts used in the construction of reciprocating pump. This is the ground level, or also called as sump level. This is a suction pipe. This is a suction valve. This is a delivery pipe, and this is the delivery valve. This is a piston, and the rod connected to the piston is known as the piston rod. This is a piston cylinder arrangement. This is a TDC, top dead shunter. This is a bottom dead shunter, BDC. This is an overhead tank where the water is stored. This is a crank, and the rod connected to the crank and piston rod is known as the connecting rod. Okay, then come to the working of single acting reciprocating pump. The suction pipe is inserted into the groundwater level, and this crank is continuous rotated. Okay, at the starting of working of single acting reciprocating pump, piston is at TDC, okay, top dead center, and both the valve, suction and delivery valve is closed. Okay, you see it. Then the crank is rotated, and when crank angle is 180 degree, then piston goes to TDC to BDC, means top dead center to bottom dead center, and the motion of the piston goes to TDC to BDC is called as the backwater stroke, or we say that backward motion of the piston. Okay, then in the pump chamber, vacuum is created, means low pressure in this portion, and and the suction pipe, there is a atmospheric pressure that is higher than the pressure in the pump chamber. So there is a pressure difference occur. Then this suction valve is open. One point is always remember that the flow take place from high pressure to low pressure, as you saw that in the suction pipe pressure is high and in the pump chamber pressure is low. Then the water present in the suction pipe enter into the pump chamber. Okay. Now the crank is continuous rotated. Okay, when the crank angle is 360 degree, then the piston goes to BDC to TDC, means bottom dead center to top dead center, and the motion of the piston goes to BDC to TDC is called as the forward stroke, or we say that forward motion of the piston. At that time the delivery valve and the suction valve, both the valve are closed. Then water is compressed by the piston. This water pressure is very high as compared to the delivery pipe pressure. Okay, the flow take place from high pressure to low pressure. Okay, then the delivery valve is open due to the pressure difference and the water discharge through the delivery pipe. This discharge water is stored in the overhead tank, and this phenomenon happen again and again. So this is the working of single acting reciprocating pump. So far, if there is any doubt in what I have taught, then I am going to show you the video animation of working of single acting reciprocating pump right now. I have made this video animation for you so that your concept will be completely clear, and whatever will be the upcoming exam, you will solve all the question easily. So you watch it. And also I remind you that if the video looks good to you, then please like my video and subscribe my channel. I hope you like the video. I have worked very hard to make this video, so I just want to say that you like my video, you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. By doing this, I will get motivation and I will keep bringing such good videos for you. So thank you and see you in the next video.